Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this lovely 2016 Nissan Altima 2.5 SL. This is a local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. We just acquired it off lease from Nissan. We do have a complimentary Carfax report for you to view. Very well equipped with the SL package. This one also has a technology package giving you adaptive cruise control, blind spot warning, forward collision warning, forward emergency braking, has remote start, also has Nissan Connect services that provides a lot of different features, as well as stolen vehicle notification and location, which is a cool feature. This one has a Bose premium audio system for you music lovers, automatic dimming mirror with universal garage door opener, moonroof package, heated front seats, power driver's seat, I believe. Let's see. The passenger seat is also power as well. Great navigation system, rear parking camera, dual zone auto climate control, nice leather wrapped steering wheel. This one only has 21,189 miles at the time of making this video. Most people average 10, 12 to 15,000 miles a year. So this one has pretty low miles for 2016. Also has a heated steering wheel. Really nice color combination and black on black. You can be confident that this one has been service and checked by Nissan certified techs. We are an Infiniti store, so Infiniti is Nissan's luxury division, so our techs are also Nissan certified as well as Infiniti certified. If you're looking for a nice inexpensive commuter vehicle with luxury car comfort, the Altima checks off a lot of those boxes. It gets great gas mileage, low ownership costs, but with the SL trim package, and all those great features like technology and stuff, it really makes it a near luxury vehicle experience. Nice big trunk, you have a trunk mat in there, a deck lid spoiler, nice Deluxe alloy wheels, still under factory warranty. This is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Nissan's been making this engine for a very long time. I believe it makes right around 180 horsepower. It's connected to a CVT transmission to maximize performance and efficiency. And this Altima is backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with your purchase from us at Infiniti of Tacoma, so all our new and pre-owned vehicles come with that 5-day money-back guarantee. No gimmicks, no restocking fees. It's 100% money back. Contact us for more details. Thank you so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.